In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Teams account from start to finish. Whether you're setting it up for school, work, or you simply want to stay connected with your friends or team members, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to your search bar. Type Microsoft Teams, and once the results appear, click on the very first option, the one that says Chat, Meetings, Calling, Collaboration. Once you're there, look for the button labeled Sign Up for Free. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Sign Up for Free and you'll be asked to enter an email address. Go ahead and type the email you want to use for your account, then click Next. You'll now see several options that help you set up your profile, such as selecting your country or region, choosing your date of birth, and entering your first and last name. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the email you're using is active and accessible, double-check your spelling when entering your name and region, and keep your browser updated. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be asked to go through a quick verification check. After that, click Continue and Microsoft Teams will finalize your account setup. After that, you should be able to access your new Microsoft Teams account without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to download the Microsoft Teams app if you plan to use it regularly. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and gives you faster access whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create your Microsoft Teams account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to create their own Teams account. Why not make someone's day easier?